For the better part of 2020, we have been planning a trip to Colorado. In this series of videos, we'll share with you our stories of cooking, camping, exploring in our InTech Pursue trailers. We hope you enjoy. It is 4 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, and we are ready to go to Colorado. Charlotte and I started leaving Memphis about the same time that Nathan, Nancy, Julio, and Hege were hitting the road as well. We were all tired, it was early, but we were excited. Yeah, we just crossed the bridge. We are now in Arkansas, and we are on our way to Colorado. We're going to St. Charles up in Missouri to meet Nathan, Nancy, Julio, and Hege, and then off to Kansas, spend the night at the campground, and the next day we'll be here in Denver. Fueled on coffee and excitement, we all started to converge on St. Charles, just outside of St. Louis, and made it safely. We got all the trucks lined up, and man, it's so cool to see all those trucks and trailers all ready, packed up for adventure. We're very excited. So we got everything together. We started hitting the road again. As we drove through Kansas, we saw a lot of, well, this, flat. Not a lot to look at, but we did have this awesome documentation that Nathan put together with our whole trip planned out to every last detail. We finally got to our campground, got set up, and started to settle in. We got the air conditioners running, had a nice little nightcap, and we enjoyed some local fireworks that were going off a day early. We settled in for the night and got a great sleep so that we could get ready for tomorrow. We arrived to our next destination, which was a KOA campground just outside of Denver. And this place was really cool. It was kind of a throwback to the 50s and had some really neat and unique campers and trailers set up. The vibe of this place was just classic Americana. And we really liked it. It wasn't high end. It wasn't, awesome as far as amenities or anything like that, but it was fun. We got settled in real nice, we got some showers, we made some dinner, and we just enjoyed ourselves and relaxed because we knew that tomorrow we would be heading into the mountains, and that's what this whole trip is all about. We are now in Idaho Springs, so we're very close to where we're heading, which is Chins Lake. It's about 80 degrees, the breeze is lovely, it's sunny. So we're just checking into the visitor center, understand what the fire restrictions are, and we're off to camp.
outside, it looked like it was a bit of a flat area that we might all be able to come up on.
After making our way up over 10,000 feet, up to Chin's Lake, we got our trailers in place and we started to set up camp. It had been a long day, but the views were worth it. It's hard to describe the scale. It's absolutely huge, and there was just so much lush, beautiful scenery around us. We had a great spot and truly appreciated and enjoyed the breathtaking views. We couldn't believe that we had this place basically to ourselves. The weather was cooling down, and we were getting ready for the evening. Honestly, I don't remember what we had for dinner that night. I know Julio cooked something wonderful. And we had some visitors. We had some marmots. These things were all over the place, and they were squawking to let us know they were here. Due to fire restrictions, we could not have a fire, but that didn't dampen our mood. After dinner, we had some cocktails, sat, relaxed, and watched the sun go down. We had a lot of adventure ahead of us, including some altitude sickness, but more about that later. So stay tuned. The next video will be out soon, and we will continue our journey through Colorado. We hope you enjoyed.